don't know how to put it. Share, invite our people to join us. I see you there, Sister Marashuku, Tenny White, Brother Emmanuel Oyebushi, Oliver Agus Shim. I see you there, Okeshuku, I see you there. Hello, Eze Shuku, Shukodi. Brother Shidi Survivor, I see you there. Yes, Mazi Emmanuel. Share, invite our people to join us. Casey, I see you there. Peters, I see you there. Christopher, I see you there. You are welcome. Bruno, I see you there. You are welcome. Mike, you are welcome. Shibik Ofo, I see you there. You are welcome. Mazi Chidi, yes, oh, share. Egbe Rock, share. Christo, Joe, share. Diamond Owen, I see you there. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are all welcome. DJ Lawrence, I see you there. I can't believe I can't see new people for here. Why don't they see for that page? Mazi J, where have you been? Mazi Lawrence, Mike 1B, I see you there. Shigosie, I see you there. Okonkwo, I see you there. Francis, I see you there. Don't they laugh. NKY, I see you there, sister. You're welcome. Oyebusi Sunshine, I see you there. Michael Corey, Mazi Michael Corey. You, I think I don't block you. You see there? I dey see your post, oh. I dey see your post. I dey see Mazi Okori. I dey see your post, and I know you. Unless it not be the one when I dey think. I see you there, my people. Shima, Edwards. Yes, I dey wait small. I won't wait for another 2 minutes. Make our people join us. Mona share. I see you there. Eze Bube Chidi, I see you there. You are welcome. Yes, my blood. Mazi Anayo, I see you there. Emako, I see you there. Mose Purity. Thank you, Sister Mose. God will bless you for me. God will bless you for me. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, my wonderful people, great Biafrans, lovers of freedom, people of goodwill all over the world. My name is Efeisi Uwanogo Omote Biafra, Robo Biafra from the coastal region of Biafra land. If you're your first time where they join us for this Facebook, although my friends list not full, but if you still follow, so that you go to get notified each time we say we day on air. Before I we'll go straight to we'll talk this very evening, and before we say our prayer, I want quickly let our people know say my Facebook page Omote Biafra, they don't hack am, not be say na Facebook block am, they hack am, and they send me email. I see the email, they say since on the 8th now they say remove me as an admin, and I create na my page. Oh, they say they remove me as an admin, but if I want make I come back as an admin, I don't know what they write put for that place. Say make I do, say another person don't comot me. And since how many days now I dey see somebody they share something for that place. I don't know how possible it is. I know they for my friend wait for help me to do. I don't know, you know, they we are not there together now. I don't know as I want to do the thing, whether I want write to the Facebook people, I want to do and pass. I don't know how possible they'll feel admin and I may be the creator of the page. How possible they can't remove me, another person, I call they use the page. I don't know how possible it is. So I need help. Maybe there's anything anybody will see understand that will help me do. So my people, we get small talk. They talk this very evening, and before we go say anything, make we say prayer to Ogeno Olise Chukwu Okike Abiama. Also no blue will make us see us through this very evening. For where I did the lights, no, it's not too bright. So, and I know I made the tap. So make we say prayer to Ogeno Olise Chukwu Okike Abiama. Make it cause see us through. Ogeno Olise Chukwu Okike Abiama. Why mo we have si kokore over na. I gonna discuss ye kwa ijobi o affect avare as lost people of Biafra. Ogeno Olise Chukwu Okike Abiama. Why you will avare as me mo. Perfect when I be over. Also, never know where the whether increase the spirit of resoluteness, spirit of focusedness, spirit of determination, spirit of doggedness, kemu kavenue, resources, need the continue that propagate gospel redemption and Ogeno Olise whether continue that provide direct cavalry. Kobu woji Moses civil. Anya sive Misre novi Egypt o iwoji mazina di kanovi IPOB re anya sive aba mi Biafra novi shackle of demon esi Nigeria na Ogeno Olise Chukwu Okike Abiama so no blue wetanu no ngoda vero si mazina di kanu kasa okuvo kemu kasa ala le okpata Biafra joda de oyoyo ike Ogeno Olise akujo bi ohun tirelessly I propagate gospel redemption on Biafra radio, Biafra television, ovi YouTube, ovi Instagram, ovi Facebook, ovi Twitter kasa that propagate gospel redemption and Ogeno Olise whether vero sa akujo bi whether kai oho viroro akada continue obo alwe Ogeno Olise whether bless iraye kasa okuvo imazi Peters imazi Alozie imazi Ikechukwu oni o amazi Chidera mazi Jonathan nwa Biafra ada Biafra you street talking kavare mazi Daniel Ozoro mazi Obialo akujo bi patoto na ohun tirelessly I will mention it Biafra or they restore Ogeno Olise whether I put your be available. I just watch me over one and Ogeno Olise whatever else I can so kuvu where see family that I can watch me later. Ogeno Olise whatever else I see family that on another no the Ogeno Olise Chukwu Okike Abiama so no blue tamuno nugo lukavare arami Biafra ise. Thank you very much, my wonderful people. Now, very quick one, and they're very worried about that page where they hack. Because through page you go physically send message and they use this media to the inform you now. Should the case when see any message from that page, Omote Biafra, mona not say not be me they operate them again or thing. They write the message whether they go release them for me back. I get another new page when I write yesterday will be Omote Biafra. I mean they operate that one. I don't know. So that first one, no any comment, any news from that place, not be me they do them. Don't disregard them for the now. So my people, I see everything where they happen for social media. I welcome every one of us. Mazi Casey Peter, I see you there. John C. Lawrence, I see you there. Rima Benjamin, I see you there. Thank you very much. Princess, I see you there. So my people, yeah, since how many days now they see the fire where they burn on social media everywhere. They hot. So And as something wey be say, as in we dey wait for this kind of moment. This kind of moment, although if the way I dey see the thing, come be like say the energy, as in whether they channel out to the rightful side or then another channel out to the rightful side, though, now something when it mean if I no go fit talk now. But to me, I feel say everything in life now step by step. If you want to take any decision, you want move forward in life, you want grow higher, any decision where you want make for life, now step by step. And that step now one day, now that they decide and now one day that they choose them. If they feel come aside for brutality of SARS, to end SARS, all those things. If you not be politics, when we say come truly, and I know say this thing, the way that they escalate. Even the people when they feel say they won't use and take do game or they won't use and take do politics, it go as in the thing go hit them, as in the way when they be say they not even expect say the thing go end, because everything for their life now politics, everything for the zoo now, as in do a mago, and I like the method when they use today. I love the method they are using today. Some people they thought say some people they don't want to bring themselves out to be saying now they do now that they lead down and they not they lead down. I like the method of today. Because Nigeria, as a body, una know say they like to buy, pardon me for the network, they are not good, maybe Facebook say they do you. You know, not say for Nigeria, they like something like leader. You understand? They like something like leaders, as in, if they say group of people they like this, as in maybe they under your control, they under your command. They like to fish as the leader, or fish and come outside, or come carry and go one corner, you know, come piss talk and come manipulate in mind, come do all manner of things, come buy them over. They'll come convince the leader now to betray the people when in the lead. They'll come convince them to turn back to the people when in the lead. You go come outside, you come to say, that's the way we they do. There are other better ways for how we go. That's the way we don't start. Not be saying, but there are other way where they will take modelize things. It go be said they not what they do what they do before. But in this case of Andy Sar, they don't get any leader. They don't get any leader. Everybody is on his. Everybody they on their own. Now general protest. Both old women, both old men, small pikin, or grown up. Everybody there for the streets to on the process of end SARS. Nigerian government not go see any leader go call, because nobody is leading them. Nobody stand now say it not be like revolution, and when they go cash our Omoyele Sowore, it not be like our Biafran, our status when we get supreme leader, when they go carry our supreme leader, come go put am for detention for how many years. It not be like any group or any something where we say people gather say now this one be their leader when they won't hold accountable for this protest when they go on. So I like the pattern, I like the method, because they thought they say our supreme leader they talk on radio every day. He say a day will come, Nigerians will realize say the way they treat us, or the way they live, not be so we're supposed to live. And that time they come and they very near. And every day they tell you now. And they tell you now every day, I say, know how God and nature work mysteriously, as in they work in mysterious way. And the spirit of the dead and the living of Biafra, when they roaming and bats, it not go let any word when in prophet, the person where they say come, make all liberate every indigenous people when stop for that damnable republic. They're not gonna let in word fall for ground like that. You don't know what is happening. Some people they talk all around, say, say now the cannot say you will give us Biafra before December. Where is Biafra? He said next month Biafra go come. May you sit back, relax, watch. There is just sit down, they watch as the waiting go up. If a person tell you 2 days ago or last week or 2 weeks ago, say Nigerians go there for streets today, they protest and end SARS. Say even camera go they capture am, even international body go they do am. So they call even there for a place, they ask say where is Buhari? May they bring Buhari out for DNA test. They should bring the man in Aso Rock out. Say they not believe that man in Aso Rock is still Buhari. So may you know say the word of the prophet no say come for our time. No say everything when every damn thing when you don't talk for him mouth. Now patience, now every individual need. It go all come to pass. All come to pass. dey see Flavor, I dey see all of them. How many, since 5 years now or 4 years now, who dare come outside for the street? How many celebrities you don't see for the street they protest? How many celebrities you don't see for the street they protest? How many people you don't see for the street they protest? They say the children of God suffer violence, now only the take them by force. Our Supreme Leader don't talk, I don't prepare our mind to the level of say no retreat, no surrender. And this no retreat, no surrender, time without number, we don't proving out to the world, we don't proving out to the so-called Nigerians then, for them to see, say, how to demand for freedom, how to remain resolute in terms of fighting as in your government or fighting your way out of bondage or as in when you dey oppressed for country, how to fight your way out. I don't tell you na time without number. I say wetin dey happen for the damnable republic anywhere in the world. No place in the world where it go happen. It's not possible. Not even in Ghana, not even in Togo. It's only in Nigeria. Because they tell you now say the of Nigeria by bringing three regions together, now they cause the endurance of everybody in that place. If you get to be say Biafra are on their own, the middle belt are on their own, everybody is on their own. If there is any challenge in the government to come out for protest, it's not going to be problem. Not be problem. Because today, you see now, if it not before now, maybe this thing now for not they happen for the West. But since when they raise the banner of Oduduwa, anything where they happen, they go around the whole of the South. But when they see the people where they always come outside as an opponent, when they come and oppose as in anything where they say any protest when they lead of favor of the South, the southern part of the damnable republic called Nigeria. Today now, we see say everybody from the South, especially the Oduduwa and the Biafrans, we don't see the way they rise up now. So they do what that they do for that place. Say end SARS. Bring out the damnable republic presidency, so-called president, the masquerade. Una never see the, una never hear the video. Una never see the video. Is out there. They are demanding for the whereabouts of Buhari. They say they're not tired to they listen to dotted video. They say they are tired of listening to dotted video. That they want their president out to come and speak to them. This have been the thing where they never, none of them don't dare ask for the since 2017. Pastors are speaking out. I talked to a person from Edo State, this very Benin City to be precise. Me with her, they talk about the situation of Nigeria. And then tell me, say, my sister, the youth are not taking it easy anymore. He said the level when SARS don't even go before, when we not even they see on media. He said if they go for houses, they will carry, if they reach there, they'll come meet the youth there for house. Sometimes the youth them, maybe as you know as they be for the zoo now, if you dare house, maybe your family girls, you get friends, all of them will pack or they'll come stay, all of them will stay together and go. They also no, they do anything one that they do. If not the one way they learn work, they learn all of them they live together. They say if they come bust that kind of house where family they. They say they go bring out the mama when don't old. They go bring out the papa when don't old. They go set the old youth ablaze. Oh God. I say I never see that coming for this. He say and you don't know how come about and I never hear that. He said they go set the youth ablaze. They go throw bomb. He said now the youth contact where come and say this is no more SARS anymore. Say this is terrorist attack. This is Boko Haram in SARS uniform. This is Boko Haram in SARS uniform. They happen so. Not be because of even this worry Ugeli guy, young man with a kilo. They say this thing don't they happen since how many days, especially Edo and Delta states. Especially in Edo and Delta state. They say that they set the youth ablaze. They'll carry the old come. See now they come there say they tell us say what they call they tell us on the oppressors and the oppressors. And on the day they prove the evidence on the oppressors. The youth then when they go stand to defend us, now they kill all of them. That is why you see some old women on the streets. You see old men on the street. You see small pikin on the streets. Nigeria is in a terrible situation where they say even blind man don't they see him. And they wish and pray go down. How we said the official channel this protest as populated as mega this protest day to demand for the ending of Nigeria. Not even end SARS or police brutality. Because it's never going to end. It's never going to end. Nigerian police, now Nigerian police force. Nigerian police force. Anything about Nigeria na force. Una no understand the word force, the English force. Una no understand that. It means say you are going to be forced to do anything as far as you are under police uniform, army uniform, DSS uniform, SAS uniform. You will be forced to do what you are not supposed to do. Even you will be, that they will force take your life safe. I wish our dear brothers and sisters that are on the street of Nigeria today protesting of end SARS and police brutality, they will channel this energy to do protests of end Nigeria. That would be the best. What is happening in Nigeria today can never happen in Oduduwa, it can never happen in Biafra, it can never happen in Dubai, because these people are one people. If they have presidents, they will not go, they sentiment because they are one people, one voice, togetherness. If the president is not doing well, it's affecting every one of them, they will come outside do protests. Unlike what we are seeing in Nigeria today. Some regions are enjoying, some regions are not enjoying. The region that are enjoying will not like to protest the Nigerian government. And the steering region. The region that are enjoying will never ever come outside to protest against the government. Excuse me. I know with time to understand. I know with time. Because the reason why the youth that they vex today, the reason why people in the damnable republic today, they don't take out upon themselves that they vex, they don't ban SARS for 6 years. Dissolve, ban. Not only headline for the CN newspaper. I believe say the energy and strength when they get to know today say stop end SARS. They go see people that say end Fulani men that are killing our mothers and raping them before death, as in kill them to death. It will come. Anything can happen in a twinkle of eye. How many more still left? Britain can do the World Power Organization, anything they want to do to suppress, as in the freedom of every indigenous people in Nigeria. They waste their time, as I read that don't rightly talk, and they are wasting of their time. Nobody have the power to stop the separation of Nigeria. Nobody. They can't come outside, they can't do, and we have banned SARS. The IG said they have banned SARS. Then as headline, tomorrow you'll see the miserable SARS. Look all of them. They look like bushers. They look like bushers. Apart from police from the south, you go see say, as in you go see police well dressed, well okay, as in when they see they learn it small. You go see them, they go turn the uniform upside down, they go, as in they look like, as in bushers, the way bushers that they dress. Even the so-called Yahoo boy or the so-called youth when they say they be criminal, when they go they chase and most of them their appearance they're okay, even more than the so-called SARS. My brothers and sisters that are on protest in damnable republic since how many days now? Let's channel this energy to campaign for end Nigeria. Let's campaign this to that campaign for end Nigeria, because Nigeria is a British company. They will not give you as in 100% freedom for any reason. As far as you are under Nigeria, you can never get 100% freedom. It is not possible. Because when you get your 100% freedom, it means say you don't come out food for their mouth. All this colonial master, all this world power, then when they go, they suck away from Nigeria. The worst thing when Britain do not, for them to create Nigeria, can't give power to killers. Give power to power mongers. Give power to barbarians. Give power to people when not. The negotiator where they get with the so-called Fulani today. If now we they still get that negotiator for, they foresee they get what they get, and everybody will be living happily. If now the Oduduwa people they still make that negotiation with, everybody go they live happily. You come out to 3 region, come on, they put them for one person hand. Put them for only one ethnicity hand. Say because they welcome una, or they not kick against una. Say as they won't come on, they not kick against una. Say they support the colonial master. Una come up power, una give them. The so-called citizen give every power to their hand to rule over them, to take away. Who does that? To take away their resources and everything. Whether for they accept that one? Whether for they accept that kind of thing? If you not be saying it don't even too day long for us not to speak out, whether they accept that kind of thing. People who are not contributing to a nation humanly, in even natural resources, otherwise they know they contribute 0.com. Nothing. If you negotiated with the Biafrans or you negotiated with the Oduduwa people, by now you won't be finding things difficult like this. Everything will still be intact. Everything will still be intact. But you say no, you prefer, because naturally not only Nigeria people for the complain. Anywhere British colonized, that's why they put their life on misery. Anywhere there is colonialism, they put their life for misery. Not only Nigeria, they never stand firm to kick against it, their tyranny, colonial rubbish when they do for that place. People that are educated, who can negotiate business with you, who can make Nigeria, who can make their countries even more productive, even more as in growing, go even they affect una economic as in positively. Una no want time like that. Una no green. Una give cow rears, killers, barbarians. Barbarians. Today you are running a task at trying to see how you can what do they call her? How you can bribe the world leader, not the disintegration of Nigeria. The today politics when we they see today. So how people say they do now? Waiting go favor the night they put hand put. Waiting go favor their generation. They say no road for these people. No road for these people. Even for you to as a Britain, say muna sit down, muna see reason and say okay, since it's there like this 3 regions, since it's there, no never feel live. You can still be the English one would already they speak. You cannot take it away from our mouth. The things one would already know as an Anglophone, we cannot take it away from our mouth. There is how you can still do some negotiation to make it as in make everybody they live equal, as in give everybody freedom. Now they get highest king. These are migrants. Make una dey hear me where my now they get highest king for Nigeria. Those professor, those doctor, degree. So now one illiterate when sit down for Sultan of Sokoto, now be king over all of them, even over their president. Be you brief president. Bad land, you bring presidents from Oduduwa or Biafra land, even me to bed. The king in Sokoto, that illiterate is the overall father of everybody. These are the people who came some years back and they were given a portion of land to settle. These were the people who came some time ago, they gave them a portion of land to basically they don't take over everybody. The energy what people are using today, how they can channel it for end Nigeria. I know it will come to that level. They don't tell small people where they beat me not cry. They can pretend for how long we care. They can pretend for how long they care. But they as in very soon. What does it take if not as Fulani as a people, as a race, they hate humanity? When dey shout about Fulani. Some people say we dey ethnicity bigot, use that grammar. But today, which name people they call? Protesters, which name that they call? Are they not the same Fulani that we have been complaining about for ages? Who use Middle Belt against Biafran? Fulani. Who use our Oduduwa brother against Biafran? Fulani. Who use the Hausa people against Biafran? Fulani. Who use everybody against Biafran? Fulani. These are illiterates. They only know to be cowrares. Have a way they get the way of manipulating the minds of the people against whosoever that is opposing their tyranny, as in their tyranny government or their tyranny, their wicked, oppressive way of life. They will team up people to fight against them. It is in their DNA. It is in their DNA. Apart from Nigeria, there is nowhere in the Africa, in West Africa, where you see Fulani settlements. It's not there. They are wanderers. Anywhere you go, when you see Fulani, they be wanderers. Not only in Nigeria, they go, they can't get Olaga, they can't Veve for there. There are Fulanis in Ghana too. But you know they hear that they're not born their way. They are migrants and they are treated like one. That is why they are doing everything possible to make sure they hold everybody captive. They even call for their external brother. They are calling for their external brothers to come and join them to fight and conquer Nigeria. Asking for help for everywhere. Somebody there, the person with an say if they pray, if he say good Lord Jonathan go fit come back to power. Nothing like that they do go back, I mean they do go front. Now if you say if good Lord Jonathan come power today, you won't get anything we want to do for you. Then they tell you say foundation of something is rotting you. They talk about coming to power, not coming to power. And Nigeria only go their separate ways. If good Lord Jonathan want to become president, let him become president in Biafra land. Anybody that want to become president, let him become president in Oduduwa in Middle Belt. We are no longer interested in anybody being a president in the damnable republic called Nigeria. For over 60 years, now back and front, everybody they go for that place. We don't need half bread. Guess what people when they talk say half bread is better than not. In other words, see for restructuring, or they can make Nigeria great again, or they can stop all this. We don't need half bread. In our era that we are today, we don't need half bread. We need a full. We have suffered enough. We need a fully. Our Biafran restoration, Oduduwa restoration, the separation of Nigeria is in negotiation. You know, they not negotiable. They're not the negotiator. Now sign and seal deal. It's not negotiable. And even the last time I checked, as I did the we are resolute. We are so, as in we sit down for the matter, gidigba. Come rain or shine. If you not before now, you for those people them all these people not go let them go out. They for don't put their guys shoot everybody there for that place. I don't say they don't see they shoot people, and they let them know they know if these people whether they shoot so if it have been said that they shoot in the name of Nigeria, then at the end of the day now only to end SARS, Wetin make SARS matter even they terrible now because they take people life as in unjustly or they extract money for people. But the last time I checked, the list of the problem in Nigeria is not SARS. The list of problem when Nigeria they face na SARS. The list. There are other greater, mightier problem that is facing Nigeria that is not yet obvious to the people. That is, they never get to understand it. the middle belt, the Sata Kaduna Zamfara, Zamfara people, Borno people, they are dying in silence. They are dying in silence. Nobody they do that to speak for them. Nobody did that to go fight. Say, let these people be stop killing these people. Ah yes, you see one people they tweet, see one people for their Instagram. I can't get to know say the people, majority of the people are not aware of what is going on. That is why you see say they sit down for. They are not aware. Some of them are out of ignorance. Forget all those people when they see on media call they speak. Those are the people that are aware of what is going on. And they have studied the mind of the people and they know where to speak out to please the people. Because majority of these people, they don't hold the captive as in their alaye, my boy, my, you know, they call the shema. That is why they against people when they talk say, stop speaking. Now the kind of speaking. Action, this one, that one. You be those individuals, they are fools. They don't know what is happening. If you even ask those individuals, they never even come out one day for protest. Before Martin Luther King started to do what they do, he just wake up one day, call they do what they do. It's not true broadcast. What about them? Nelson Mandela and many other revolutionaries. Everything of true gospel. Before you become a repentant, giving your life to Christ in those Christians, is it not true propagating of the gospel? That you one day you become convinced and put everything behind. You say, oh, things are passed away, every other thing become new. If you not hear the gospel, will you be convinced? Will you sit down and change your mind and just all of a sudden become a Christian or a born again? This gospel, when I was explaining that they preach, now it be gospel of redemption. Gospel of redemption. Now so revolutionary, that's what they preach to awaken the people. Because if truly you are aware of what is happening or the situation or the state of your living in Nigeria, you won't allow it. I'm telling you, you will not allow it. You will not dare, you not go dare keep Nigeria for 1 minute. If you understand the states where Nigeria there and how marginalized, how oppressed, how your right has been taken away from you, you won't take it for 1 minute. You can't bear it. You they see us the back with a shot. We know waiting they happen. We know how oppressed we did. That's why we know that's why body they pepper us like this. If you get to know, you'll be more mad than me. Mad than everybody when you don't ever see, when you don't even castigate. The state of Nigeria today is very terrible. It's very terrible. And the so-called Fulani that have hijacked Nigeria, they are not letting it go for anytime soon, unless you take it by force, unless you break it by force, unless you fight it and take your freedom away from them. They are not letting it as in any moment, as in sooner. They're not anytime any Satan come outside to do protest, you must see this demonic individual they counter the protest, because Nigeria belongs to them. Nigeria belongs to them. $7 million people holding 193 people captive. Now they get me, before you know, they don't say Kaduna and Kanu people, Katsina people say we are not a part of NDSA. As if say you ask for their opinion in the first place. If they are going to ask, or they are the government, body of the government, when they ask for the answers. Is there any place where they record SARS don't keep for the north? Okay, maybe vice versa. And the bandit they kill massively for that place. Mesa Scotty they kill for this side. The Fulani herdsmen where they kill people, they rape people for farm. It never reach. Okay, you know they feel they abnormal, just like that Mugu in Turkey. They talk. Those people that are killing in the north and the people that are killed in the south, which one they are number, as in which one they more higher? That's the miserable question you were asking one day. That the way they do it, brokers. That is why sometimes when I see some people say that you don't beg, what do you mean you don't beg? When this individual will be on somewhere and be raising their mouth, you know they caution at that time. The Fulani herdsmen and the Fulani terrorists that are killing people, raping people on daily basis that we see their picture. Okay, the number, you know they are, as in our killing, you know they have number now. So now what every miss when the killing go be aggregate. In no community upon community when I don't invade. Anybody will get boundary with una girl who never invade. A girl who never invade, wipe the community, burn their houses. Is there any record not there where Fulani don't rename community for the north, for middle belt? Record not there. Who be the most populated people for the south? Not be see una so. Trigger lovers, not be una. SAS other Boko Haram abi bandits, Fulani herdsmen, other SAS uniform. Not be una. We know they see una appear. Our people don't look like that. Not be una. When they black like demons. The solution, everything is very simple. Very simple. End Nigeria to save life. End Nigeria to be free. We as every indigenous people we occupy that contraction called Nigeria. We be Republicans as a nature. Go and check history. We are Republicans in nature. We don't take injustice. But these people don't fold our hands, fold our leg, go back, collect everything for blood the lie our eyes. When one idiot go sit down for television. The oil in Delta State belongs to Jigawa. The belongs to Jigawa. After all, there's nothing in Kanu where it go be say it go belong to Delta State or where it go belong to Bayelsa. There's nothing there. Earlier we end Nigeria, better for all of us. Earlier we end Nigeria, better for every one of us. Because that same thing, when they dance around the main problem, when they dance around the main problem, no one hit the nail on the head. And I don't tell you yesterday, you will become more celebrated as a celebrity in Biafra, you know, do the way you do better than Nigeria. Can't you see you are not growing? The same pattern model of acting film 10 years ago, 15 years ago, none of they used to today. You know they see how Chinese they exploit. You know they see how this thing, what do they call it? How India the way people go they rush, they go they watch what do they call this movie? Z World. Now some people they rush, they go they watch a movie. You know how much GoTV don't make in the name of watching Z World, on then Indian film. No, how they make many people they subscribe GoTV. Am I lying? Am I not saying the truth? Do you know how much GoTV I make out of Z World? No equipment for movies. Nothing. The same pattern, the same something. No, never exploit. Una they see some kind of film trick where they do all of those things now the well organized country now made they get all this thing. I see where Davido go do protests. carry am for shoulder. If in a well-organized country, as they go for that place, they get standing thing when you go stand put. Probably the thing go even they waka, not be motor, not be anything, but it stand for there, the thing go they waka, they go. You don't need to stand for person's shoulder. They press person join ground. Nigeria is in a very bad state. Not today. It has been a bad state even since the day they get independent. Since when they get independent, and they see that lady, they thought say, let them restructure Nigeria now, or everybody, let everybody go their separate ways. These were the person who were calling for Niger Delta. These were the people who were calling for Niger Delta. They say if the water never enter canoe, now they paddle the canoe, they protect the canoe with water no enter. But as it is today, water don't enter Nigeria canoe. There's nothing you can do, protect it or not protect it. Water, the canoe don't sink. People they fight for survival. Nigeria canoe, the ship it don't sink. People are fighting for survival. But they're not drown. Floating on top of the water, they're not drown. The youth of Nigeria, the supposed Nigeria, they can do it. But people who led revolution in Ghana, they are not up to the population of Nigeria. They are not even population of only the Lagos state. They are not up to. Ending SARS is not going to end our problem. Rather, let's end Nigeria. Let's end Nigeria. Demand for the man in Aso Rock. Demand for his whereabouts. For every other place, all those people that they call the ethnicity, then this one, they are nations. They are nations. They are nations. They don't poison everybody mind. Go there, yeah, this one come from this one. This one come from this one. This one migrated here. This one migrated here. Confused. But they will never talk about the migration of Fulani, how they came. Apart from the Yoruba leader that wrote there, and our supreme leader, whether they tell all the stories is there. They will never talk about it. If not for deep research, nobody will know that Fulani are migrants in Nigeria. If not for deep research. But every other history are in public domain. But the main history that come about Nigeria, unless you go extremist before you can discover these things. That is where the last time you're going to talk, we better do like this, or you're going to hear for social media, this one is not. I say, you go see our Oduduwa brothers. They will be on national TV speaking good things about our Igbo Biafra. Telling us how nice, how beautiful, how they manage, how well organized the day. But you will be blood brother. You will be blood sister. What they call share to be Delta Igbo, Calabar Igbo, Igocha Igbo, Bayelsa Igbo, Middle Belt Igbo. All this one, they deprive you. Or you deprive yourself. Not because they deprive you, because they say if they tell person word, he believe. Now what if they believe? Now he go to proverb. They tell you word like somebody tell you now say Efe is a bad person. You believe. Now me say you don't hate me on your own. Not be saying I'm waiting that person tell you, because you get every reason to counter that person. Say don't say that. She's not like that. It means you have already have that feeling that this girl is not a good person. If you were told, or you were by any means, or by propaganda, or all those things, get your personal weaknesses on daily basis. Where be say you they see the way things they go, and some of these people. That day on social media, they tell you, say, these people are good people. Every interview, when we don't watch, or when we don't see, being it on the street of Lagos, you hardly see a Yoruba man speaking ill of Igbo man. Hardly, not, I'm not saying, but it's very hard. TV. But you that is Delta Igbo, then you deprive yourself of loving or caring or feel concerned about your brothers and sisters. That is why one more go sit down for one place today, call the name una. This lady, what it be her name? Edina, abi Edina, something like that. That is Soko woman when you speak, when you sing oh yeah, I wish you many Christmas, I be many happy birthday or something like that. When you sing, say, when you go to Asaba, they speak Delta Igbo. When you go to Uromi, they speak Ishan. When you go to Benin City, they speak, guys just sing the music. Some years back, I stumbled see the music recently for you. I called listen to the song. She is not aware. To Asaba, they called the Delta Igbo, and Delta was created yesterday. So who were you before Delta was created? Who were you? One idiot sit down for a place after you don't rule in life. There don't be power. One Morgan, general of killing innocent people, come as I say you be Delta. They can't share people come out say Delta Igbo. Say Delta Igbo. That the guy Fulani Igbo. Okay, the guy Fulani, Hausa Fulani. Not be Fulani Hausa. Hausa Fulani. My people, it's our time. If we not get some, we start to the borrow. If we not get, may we start to the borrow. Life is too short to live in ignorance and die with ignorance. Life is too short. Life, humanity as in life as a general, is not just all about living, born children, buy car, then die, go. There are more to it. There are more to life. There are more to your existence. There are more to humanity. There are more to it. If you say the way our Igbo Biafrans in Delta State, in everywhere, but we know, but we they talk about the language, the present language that we they speak today now. If you were to be said that even identify all this or all those droppy people, they go identify people, say this is our people. The level of marginalization or tagging everybody or try to suppress 5 states, if not they happen, because they go not say their brothers in other places will raise their voice and do something. You have carried the heavy and the grudges of seeing an Igbo man to be an enemy for ages, while you allow your real enemy to take advantage of your ignorance, of your inability to go to cities on your own. You allow them to take opportunity to marginalize you to the extent that say you have more than 5 seaports in your region. None is working because you carry the envy, the unnecessary anger of somebody will not do you nothing, not do you anything, than you use it to deprive yourself of the things you are supposed to be getting as a citizen. If you were to be say now, or now Robo man, as he be say na so he be for say Biafra land, say na Robo man or Sabama or Igodomigodo man, I can be president. They'll come get 5 seaports, not go they work. Not be say for Nigeria, for inside Igodomigodo, for inside Biafra. You not go work. As we like business, as we civilize rich, as we civilize rich, as we dey educated rich, when we dey exploit for diaspora, it's not possible now. The charity begins at home. But those charity that our people are not possessing in diaspora, there is no good, as in no good opportunity to exercise it in their own land. They are not opportune. No be Ugozi be something like that. No be they make one position so. If if he were to be as she be she come from Asaba, the so-called Delta Igbo of today. If she were to be in Biafra, say all those energy when they call they give her position and Biafra, and you don't know how far we would have been by now. You don't know. Because they know that, as they rightly said, and they are used to it. They know you are a minority. I'm not the one saying it. That is how Nigerian government address you. The minority in the south. That's how they address you. Am I lying? That's how they address you. The minority in the south. They know you cannot do. They know you are not populated enough to do nothing. And they know that it's together. The house will divide against itself. They fall. They fall. Just like the way some people are doing today. When some little to happen or something, you say anything, they want to carry that thing, go. It look like they are fighting themselves. They are doing all this. And they tell you now every day, I'm a very different person there. I know they follow people, they do what I'm not in that category. I'm very different. When I talk with, as in, with so much confidence, because I know say there's nothing for me to, as in, to call the Bema the talk put. It's not there. Mona around as una life, Mona waka, una go come back to that place, that same place. Una go come back, come dobale, come use una man when for ground for that same place when I'm supposed to start. Now, see, come back to that place. See, attack when our leader they talk every day. Terrorist attack. Why is it that this terrorist attack not the apple for the north? Even if you want apple now, get Biafra's business day, or Duduwa business day, or general business day night for the apple. You not get any state for the south where Taka attack never happen. Even in Edo state, from Sapele Road to Warri, Taka attack happen. People lost. In all those states, yesterday now, Abi Ogun State now, today now, another tanker attack. See woman born for main road like this. They tell us a terrorist attack. They find everything possible to divert the attention of these people from the protest. On the process of doing this protest too, there's also using as it divert our attention with the Biafra activists, with the Biafra agitator to divert our attention to. That is why with the letter they know say you can't divert our attention. Instead of end Nigeria today. Let everybody be free for once. There's no point of beating around the bush. You and I know that Nigeria is not working, and SARS is the least problem Nigeria have. That is the least problem they have. We NSAS bring food, I'm not against it. NSAS protest continue. But we NSAS bring the 24 hours of light. Will it bring the good roads? Will it bring good governance? Will it bring good hospital? Will it make you have good health center? Will it make your educational sector to be stable? Will it stop Fulani herdsmen for terrorizing, killing village upon village? Will it stop tanker terrorist attack, explosion? End Nigeria and be free for once. Not be we start time to say the desecrate country. Not be we start time. We are not the first and we are not going to be the end. It doesn't happen before. We can never be distracted. We can never be distracted. We know what Nigerian government is doing and we are following them as they say, however they choose now, when we win for all, because we have passed the boundary of no return. We have passed the level of no return. However they choose it is for our good. Now win for us. And then yes, some people they talk say this will make President to lose his as a president. If una the family on the one for talk say make he resign or make he lose the office because he's dead, so that una go see where una go manage hide that in debt this thing. That is left for you people. Who are they going to replace it with? Is it the Osiba missing today? Who are they going to replace him with? Do they have a plan of bringing another Fulani man, maybe the aeroplane driver, Tanko Mohammed? You come and drive aeroplane for you, come and drive Nigeria for you. Who is there? Or are they going to put the Senate president? It's still a because he's the third citizen in Nigeria. Probably he will be the one to take over. We are wise. We are smart. We are watching all of you very closely. There is no escaping route for you. No escaping route for anyone involved in this demonic attitude in that country. I'm a Biafran, proud Biafran. Anytime, any day, anywhere they talk. I will never, even when they're coming for an interview, they don't ask me about Biafra or anything. I will look for a means to ship it in. This is who I am. I'm a Biafran activist. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. You can call it hip-hop, you can call it hip-hop, you can call it, but we are IPOB, indigenous people of. I will ship it in one way or the other. You must hear it. I'm proud of it. Me and somebody they talked the last time. He said, why we be saying some of us when they for diaspora, they want to celebrate Nigeria? Because on that very day, see some people for our friends then when they come from the damnable republic, then they do marry, they can't use they can't use Nigeria flag. Marriage all that is on that October 1st. He said, why are they doing that? He said they don't know the pains and everything where would they face for you. And most of these people get through Mediterranean Sea. Does it mean person when they tell me this thing, so I'm young, I'm older than the person? I say you get this kind of sense. He said even see one of our auntie for UK self. He said that they do meeting celebration, they can't use Nigeria flag. He said why did they do that? He said last time when my auntie called Nigeria, he said how she tell see the situation of Nigeria. Is it how the UK situation is? He said why they he said that we will not tell us. Say no, that means you know they follow social media. Those are some individual morons that refuse to wake up from their slumber. It came from Mediterranean Sea. On the process, a lot of people died. He saw them dead. He saw a lot of people died in his front and on his eye. He did for Italy, see Cancelo, do everything. You are not, as in you run 440 and let him bring a picture of today and bring the picture where he was back. He ran 440 to Europe. You are here celebrating bullshit. Your death. I smuggled you, put you in the boots with animal food, carry leaf cover you, smuggle you. You paid huge amount of money. Some of your sister was terribly raped to death, to pregnancy. Get here now, you do what you call the Nigeria flag. Nigeria for help you now. As you there for the zoo, you Nigeria for help you. For help you. It is better for you to start accepting the truth. It is better for you to start to accept the truth. Your people, the people you left are not happy. They are not happy. They are not happy. We discussed on the SNC because they talk about Obaseki and Izeyamu. He says Obaseki to court. This one not say, but Izeyamu he wish Obaseki congratulations. He said yes. He said because he said Obaseki is not educated. He said the argument on ground now that Obaseki is not educated, that Obaseki he used fake WAEC result to enter power. Now say, but your president don't have WAEC result. Supposedly, he doesn't have WAEC result. He said president not get WAEC result. He said, but he presents primary. He can't be saying in 2019 they can't go for the result. We Ghana and deny. I said, why are you so people? Why Nigeria is so full of hypocrisy like this? I be that water grammar when that idiot they talk so. Now he should say he's educated. If he's educated, he will not go and deny his religion in order to be in power. He will not. Thank you very much, my wonderful people, great Biafran, lovers of freedom, friends of Biafran, people of goodwill. Our stance remains end Nigeria, end Nigeria. The energy we are using to fight for NSAT. I see some people say they call the video for, I see video when they call the video for one place, they go they ask and say this one, that one. Even on the extent say the video say it was not part of the protest. It was not part of the protest. Say in go that place to go calm them down. This is the fear they have conquered into these people. This is the even when the video there for the IG office here, they shake. You are a citizen for God's sake. I think now you America there for even born you grow safe. You are a citizen for God's sake. They go eat you up. They go eat you up. Ah yes, Naira Marley and many others, they don't go prison, they don't say, they don't go detention, they don't come back. Ah yeah, they hold you for some day. Doesn't mean that you should deny everything. Because it go further to talk say, una won't start una won't emerge how una go take, how they will take create the force, I be the SAS to as in retrain them. So that is all your benefits. And they see you know say if you come to my own and they vex well. You see that jollof of a guy, that jollof of a guy, that guy they cause more harm than good though. I'm telling you, it's an Ishakiri guy, they cause more harm than good. I'm telling you people the truth, eh? There is no tiny thing that will benefit the people who come out, and this guy must come out to speak ill of them. And these have been the people who have been speaking ill of the federal government until they came and gave them something. They call people like Mr. Jollof, call people like Jollof and many others, and gave them an appointment, settled them since that day night. Anytime when they speak, they will call them, where are you? Though these guys have started again, how can you piss talk them? Call them, they will come on social media and be talking anyhow. Jollof not there for yahoo. He not there for, he not let work. I don't know whether he goes school. I don't know what they use in life they do for that place. You know how they deceive the youth. They talk about how they will retrain SAS. And that boy brain is so empty. Jollof brain is so empty, my God. That boy brain, I know they feel they stand it talk. Truth of God. Your brain is so empty. You are so biased, so sentiment, so wicked as a youth. It is show for your face, eh? Your tongue na tongue of a snake, liar. Now you be. I don't know where you did that time when you do video. You go house. Can Nigeria be like when not Dubai? Because the highest place where Nigerian government they bless you na Dubai or UK. Dubai or UK. When not you for they do that video that I don't know. Now automatically to be now so Desmond Elliot do to all of you now. Now wow, the thing they tire me. Oh, I don't know where I want to start from. I don't know where I want to go. I'm so tired of the situation of this miserable set of individuals. The people will be relying on you. The people will depend on you. The people will do everything. At the end of the day, they will call and go come go take money for you and go deserve the thing. Nobody should see any of these people as your leader. When you want to go for protest, one person come out, two go come out, three go come out. When I start the protest, nobody should be leader or anybody. Protest for that day, they say calm down. And so they don't go for that place, calm down, let it be peaceful. Let it be do this. But it has been peaceful for over 5 days. We have never been as in violence for over 5 days. We have been on the street. Peaceful. Now they can go tell IG say where I went there to calm the peace. They invite you. They invite you to make up. You don't see fight when they fight is there for that place. They want to give you an appointment now to go. Now your career will die. I swear to God. Try am first. Maybe you just try am. Try it to come outside to come do one campaign. May you see what it go happen to you. Now they mad where. What kind of rubbish is this? Youth for that matter. We don't call the plan. They ask and say, where were you there to come? They say they are my fans. Apart from being your fan, I don't know your people. I don't know your fellow countrymen, countrywomen. Was it only your fans that were in that as in that protest that day? Some people they don't like your matter. You don't know. They do not like your matter. They never play your music. They know they will listen to your music. You don't know. My fans. Thank you very much, my wonderful people. Great beer. I like to take call now small as it be say I get small space, but the network no good. The network no good. The network no good, and the thing is just making me so angry. I will see how I go fit get a mobile network so that I go fit call the sit down small at least if in a 1 hour the way I spend so I fit take 2 calls. Then we round it up. So thank you very much. Wanna go follow my like and follow my new page. Omote Biafra 2. I dey try to go live. They kind of difficult for me. That's why I come here. Omote Biafra 2. Please follow the page, like the page so that you go to get notified, and then I go for the stream live. Thank you very much. I love continuing to the love una for all the support, everything, the encouragement, everything that they try to put together to make sure say we restore a place where we go call you home. And our togetherness, now we go to restore a place where we go call you home. Those people that are trying to bring confusion amongst us, trying to paint it like they are fighting themselves. Now Amadio and Igbesu now go destroy all of una. Gonna be demon from pit of hair. Do you see all like foolish people does not know? Or do you think we just come outside and be and you not get sense? You not get sense. Mazi Oyebushi, my blood, I see you there. Thank you very much. Now be very, very wonderful, great people. Wonderful people, great people. So far, so good. We have proven to the world that there are still good, reasonable African people, black people. So far, so good. We are proving to the world, to the colonial master, to the world in general, that we are not just people. We are black people. As a black people or as an Africa, we still get ability to reason. There are still more ability to reason. That is why we are bringing this awareness. Gone are those days when they team up, they kill anybody. It's not going to happen this time. You kill, the more you kill, the more many they come outside. Kill anybody, the more many they come outside. Click the hood on now. Opportunity for you to reduce now. Now be this. Let him buy ticket now. Go to Nigeria and be working. May go the trek with them. What be this guy name? Flavor and Phenom. Let him go and be trekking with them. Opportunity for you to reduce. Now since you not see where Waka go for America now. May he buy ticket now and go to Nigeria now and trek and reduce those miserable fatness.